Welcome to CATIA V5 Mechanical Design Engineer Career Track. Hi, I'm Kiran MS, working as a Senior Solution Consultant for PLM projects. I had opportunity to serve in various industries for more than a decade, which helped me in getting core engineering experiences. Today it is pleasure to share some of my engineering experience with you. Let us understand how CATIA V5 Mechanical Design Engineering Career Track will help you in building a successful career. Design engineer designs and develops the product for the initial concept and styling model. Design engineer will be working with a team of other designers, and as a team, they bring the concepts into reality. Job responsibility of a design engineer is to bring the ideas into reality, and they are actively involved in the new product development like 3D CAD models, creation, prototype preparation, ensure the product passes all the test criteria, reduce the cost, continuous improvement in the product performance. CATIA is the world's leading solution for product design and experience. It is used in every engineering industry such as aerospace and defense. Companies like Airbus, Boeing and Dassault System Aviation use CATIA. Most of the automotive and transportation companies like Renault, Ford, Volkswagen, Alstom use CATIA for their design. Heavy equipment and machineries, tool and die, shipbuilding industries and so on. In CATIA V5 Mechanical Design Engineering course, you will be learning about design of parts, functional understanding in assembly space, creation of general and manufacturing drawings, surface and design concept, sheet metal engineering and model-based definition. In addition, you will also get opportunity to learn fundamentals of CATIA V5 automation. Major OEMs and their suppliers are having their R&D centers in India. Being a part of the CATIA V5 Mechanical Design Engineering Career Track will help you to attain the necessary skills for an opportunity to work as a design engineer in these companies, and the salary packages offered for freshers vary from 3 lakhs per annum to 6 lakhs per annum based on the type of the company. Hurry up, enroll for the course and grab the opportunity.